DuroMax XP13000E. The beast that keeps your whole house powered, no matter what. Ever wish your backup power had the muscle of a home standby unit but in a portable package? Meet the DuroMax XP13000E, the ultimate power station that doesn't back down. Packing a monstrous 500 cubic centimeters OHV DuroMax engine, this beast surges up to 13,000 watts, enough to run your entire home, from lights and fridges to central AC. Got a high-powered tool? Bring it on! With multiple outlets, including GFCI-protected and 50-ampere heavy-duty options, this generator is ready for action. Whether you're prepping for storms, powering an RV, or tackling a job site, this powerhouse is your unstoppable electricity lifeline. Say goodbye to power worries forever. Why settle for weak, unreliable generators when you can have the king of portable power? The XP13000E doesn't just work, it dominates. It's transfer switch ready, meaning seamless home backup without a fuss. The electric start button makes ignition effortless, no yanking cords like a caveman. Plus, it's EPA and CARB-approved, meaning it's built for all 50 states. Whether you're bracing for a blackout or need heavy-duty, all-day power, this gas-powered workhorse ensures your appliances and tools never stop running. With its rugged build and unmatched endurance, the XP13000E is designed to thrive in the most extreme conditions. It's the power partner you can always count on. Let's talk money, because this generator is worth every penny. Imagine how much you'd lose if a storm knocked out your power for days. Spoiled food, no AC, no work from home? Nightmare. With DuroMax XP13000E, you save thousands by keeping your home powered through any outage. Need it for a job site? No more losing productivity because of unreliable power. With low oil shutdown, hour meter, and CO sensor, it's not just powerful, it's smart and safe. Plus, the fuel-efficient engine ensures maximum power with minimal fuel consumption. Investing in the XP13000E isn't a purchase, it's a lifesaver that pays for itself over time. Built like a tank and designed for longevity, the XP13000E crushes the competition. Some generators tap out after a few years, not this one. Its rugged frame, durable components, and premium engine mean it's in for the long haul. Customers rave about how easy it is to assemble, about 45 minutes, and how reliable it is year after year. DuroMax doesn't just build generators, they build power solutions that last. The heavy-duty wheels and foldable handle make it easy to transport, even for its size. If you're looking for strength, reliability, and longevity, the XP13000E is your ultimate power solution. The DuroMax XP13000E is the real deal. It's portable but mighty, affordable but premium, powerful but safe. When others leave you in the dark, this generator keeps you in the light. Whether for home, work, or adventure, this is the power solution you've been waiting for. Unlike other generators that promise but fail to deliver, the XP13000E is tested, proven, and battle-ready. Don't just take our word for it, click buy now and experience it for yourself. When the lights go out, make sure yours stay on with DuroMax XP13000E.